Vignan Parishad Goa presents Science Film Festival of India. Sci-Fi inspires science through films at Panaji.
आम्ही सध्या आसा सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हांगासर आनी सध्या हांगासर सायन्स विलेजीचो एक एक्झिबिशन आसा आनी तेज्या भितर एक सेशन आसलो सो सायन्स अँड सायंटिफीक टॉयज सो तेजे कोऑर्डिनेटर आमच्या वांगडा आसा. सो तुमचें नांव?
म्हजें नांव अमेश शिरोडकर आनी ह्या सेशनान आमी ऑलरेडी 150 स्टुडंट्स प्लस 10 एडिशनल मागीर आयिल्ले, सो टोटल 160 स्टुडंट्स रजिस्टर केल्ले आसात.
आनी भुरग्यांचो रिस्पॉन्स कसो आसलो?
भुरग्यांचो रिस्पॉन्स म्हणजे सामको ओवरवेलमींग आसा. तुमी आतां पळयलां आसतलें भुरग्यांक जेन्ना सायंटिफीक टॉयज आमी म्हणटात तेन्ना ते स्वता आपल्या हातान करतात आनी ती कीट ते घेवन वतात अँड जेन्ना तें आपलें केल्लें खेळणें चलता बऱ्या प्रकारे तांचो तो आनंद आसा तो पळोवपा सारको आसता. आनी कालच्यान आमी हें सेशन सुरू केल्लें आसा. भुरग्यांनी बरोच प्रतिसाद दिला. शेवटी आमकां सांगचें पडटा की सेशन सोंपलो आतां की तुमी आतां दुसऱ्या सेशनाक वचूं जाता.
जेन्ना अशा प्रकारचे सेशन्स ऑर्गनायज जाता, प्रॅक्टिकल सेशन्स म्हणा, तेन्ना खंय तरी भुरग्यांक एक टेक्स्ट बुकांतल्यान भायर सरून एक वेगळेपण हें जाता. सो हाव इट हेल्प्स द स्टुडंट टू ग्रो?
बेजीक जो कन्सेप्ट आसा आमचो सायन्स विलेजाचो तो कितें आसा की भुरग्यांक टेक्स्ट बुका भायर सायन्साची नॉलेज दिवप आनी ती इन प्लेफूल वे दिवप. म्हणजे तातूंत आमी सेशन्स दवरिल्लीं आसा की सायंटिफीक टॉक्स दवरिल्ले आसा सायंटिस्टांचे, हँड्स ऑन एक्टिविटीज ज्यो आमी आतां करतात आनी डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन्स दवरिल्लीं आसात. सो हातूंतल्यान मेन उद्देश असो आसा की भुरग्यांनी फक्त पुस्तकी ज्ञान न्ही तर ताज्या भायर हातान करून प्रॅक्टिकल नॉलेज जी आमी म्हणटात इंग्लिशान ती घेवची आनी ती उमेदीन घेवची. प्रॅक्टिकल आमकां खबर आसा की सगळ्या स्कुलांनी हायर सेकंडरी कॉलेजांनी जायत आसतात, पूण हे 8वी ते 11वेचे जो एज ग्रूप आसा त्या भुरग्यांक प्लेफूल वेयान आमी कशें सायन्स शिकोवंक शकता जेणे करून तांच्या भितर सायन्साचो इंट्रस्ट निर्माण जातलो, ह्या खातीर हो प्रयत्न आसा.
आनी आयच्या ह्या सेशनान आमी खंयचे खंयचे टॉयज पळयले?
हातून आमी बलून कार पळयली जी एअर प्रेशराचेर चलता. ताजे भायर आनी एक टॉय आसा जो लायट जी आसा पळय आमची ताजे डिफरंट मिक्सचर जातकीर कितले कलर येवंक शकता तें आसा. ताज्या भायर आमचे कडेन आसा फोल्ड स्कोप करतात आमी. ताज्या भायर आमी तातूंत CD घेवन ताजेर एक स्पेक्ट्रम कसो काडप, म्हणजे विबग्योर जो स्पेक्ट्रम आसा तो कसो पळोवप. ताज्या भायर जे वाऱ्याचेर हावरक्राफ्ट जें आसता पळय न्ही तसो बॉल कसो वयर ताजेर वाऱ्याचेर उरता प्रेशराचेर, अशें सिंपल टॉयज. मागीर एक विसल आसा तातूंत एअर रेझोनन्स यूज करून वॉटर घालून तातूंत भितर डिफरंट आवाज कशे येता. ह्यो बारीक बारीक गोश्टी बलून घेवन सादें साहित्य घेवन कशें आमी शिकूंक शकता हें आमी तातूंत दाखयलां.
थँक्यू सर. सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हांगासर एक काही स्टुडंट्सांनी ड्रोन तयार केला. तेच्या कडल्यान जाणून घेया की तो तेंच्यांनी हो ड्रोन कसो तयार केला. तो तुमचें नांव?
My name is Chris Fernandez, Reef Fernandez, Velan D'Souza, Eldrick Godino, and Aaron Fernandez. So this is our team. This drone is designed and developed by us. We are the students of Don Bosco College of Engineering, and this is our drone project. So we are from the mechanical department. Okay. So our project guide is Professor Gauri Saman and our HOD is Ajit Salunke. So I'll tell you about the drone. This drone can lift a liter of 5 liter of pesticides. It is basically, this is carbon fiber. These are aluminum parts. The electronic components are mounted in this. So, and the drone can lift approx up to 30 kgs in a flight time of 20 minutes. So what the specialty of this drone? This drone is specially used to spray on high-rise trees like coconut, areca nuts. Mostly the drones available in market are flatbed, म्हणजे शेताचेर pesticide मारपाचे. So this drone is specially used to design and develop to fly spray on the coconut trees. The design is developed by us. So
कशी आयडिया येयली तुजी?
the idea came out from our guide. He guided us like saying such drones are not available. So we have thought some innovative ideas to build up this drone. So yet now we are still developing this drone. The spring system, the pumps are yet to be mounted. We have not mounted yet because we are still developing it. That's all.
कितें डिफिकल्टीज तुमकां जाल्यो?
Difficulty is because of the weight, the weight balance was an issue at the start. The landing gear are still mounted because our landing is still rough. It's not smooth landing because of the weight. And when we flying, there's a lot of stability issues. We'll be having the palm leaves of the trees interfering, birds have issues.
कोविडाच्या टायमार आमी सगळे जाणा की ऑक्सिजनाची शॉर्टेज आसली आनी खूब कितें कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आमकां पळोवपाक मेळ्ळे. आयज आमच्या वांगडा काही असे स्टुडंट्स आसा जेंच्यांनी ऑक्सिजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर तयार केला. तुमचें नांव?
Okay, so my name is Kinan Cardozo, and these are my colleagues. That is Shaul Ahmed, Sahil Chitrapur, Nirbhay Borkar, and Akshay Batule. We are the students of Don Bosco College of Engineering, Fatodda. So basically this is a project that we have made. We came up with this idea during the second wave of the COVID pandemic when India faced a shortage in the oxygen, for medical grade oxygen. That time they had to import oxygen concentrators from abroad, like countries like France, Israel and all. But those concentrators were like very costly, and they didn't produce the quality or the amount, like the quantity of oxygen required. So with that, keeping that idea in mind, this inspired us to make our oxygen concentrator project. So basically what happens here is that now atmospheric air that consists of 78% of nitrogen, then 21% of oxygen and other gases which are there, it takes in the oxygen through a compressor and reduces the temperature in a heat exchanger. So this is done so that the chemical that we use is called as zeolite, which basically does the job of separating the oxygen from the atmosphere. So once the oxygen is separated, it will be stored in a surge tank, then which is then passed to some pressure regulators to adjust the pressure according to the patient's needs. And it is through this humidifier bottle and then supplied through the mask to the patient.
Okay.
So right now we've got help from like Goa State Innovation Council for our funding, and also we have applied for this Nidhi Prayas, that is funding that is around to get a startup running like that. Yeah, okay. So basically another thing that our oxygen concentrator has is the feature it has is that the real-time monitoring system. Say for example, you have any relative or someone who's at home or somewhere else, and you're away from them. You can track their vitals like from where you are. Also, another thing is our concentrator. We've after making all the parts, it comes to around 50,000. Like the commercial ones which are currently available in the market, they start only at like around 1 lakh or above. So that's another thing that we aim to reduce the cost and provide good quality and quantity. That is the LPM. The required flow rate, that is 15 liters per minute at 90% or above oxygen purity.
आनी एक आमकां असो स्टॉल मेळ्ळो जो सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हांगासर जो म्हणजे लेदर प्रोडक्ट्सांचो आनी तो तेची खासियत म्हणजे ते जे करपी आसा तेंचो स्टॉल आसा ते भायल्या चेन्नईच्यान येयलेले आसा सर वेलकम टू द शो
Yes, sir.
वॉट इज द नेम
My name is Govindarajan. I am
Yeah.
from CLRI, Chennai.
वॉट आर द products you have at the science film festival of India?
Yeah, we have a lot of products. First, I will explain the latest project as Indian National Footwear Sizing Project. It's a new project. So we have carried out throughout India. It's a pan-India project. So we have taken almost 1 lakh measurements, foot measurements throughout India. This main objective was at present we are following the British system, British and European system. We don't have an Indian sizing system. So Prime Minister of India is a national project, Government of India project funded by Ministry of Commerce under DPIIT. So we have carried out survey throughout India and taken 1 lakh measurements. Now the standardization part is going up. Maybe after some time we will get the Indian foot sizing system. Indian size we get exactly. Yeah. That is a main. It's a new project actually.
So how do you think it will help the Indian people?
Yeah, that is actually every country they have their own sizing system. See, suppose we have suppose you are going to buy size 8. Suppose that is not fit, then obviously you have to go for a size 9. We don't have a half sizes. In international they have a half sizes 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, and that is one thing. And another thing is they have a different girth. Here we don't have a different girth. Suppose your foot is wide, you have to go for a cobbler only to make a customized footwear. So that is where we are lacking here. So once the standardization is done, everyone will get the exact fitting. Exact fitting. Yeah.
Okay, so you want to now explain about the other products?
Yeah, this product. See, this is the latest one, chicken feet leather.
Okay.
So generally the chicken feet they will throw away. So we are converting the waste into the products. So from this leather converted to products, see this is a wash strap. You can make wash straps, and you can also make purses like the combination of leather and the chicken feet. And this is also wallet. So leather and chicken feet. So this is a new, actually new project that's also successfully we transfer the technology to a company. Okay, we already sold this technology, and this is one more thing is banana fiber with leather. It's a combination product.
Yeah.
It's an eco-friendly material. This is also new project. The waste, you're converting the waste into a product, material. And this is the diabetic footwear. Actually, we patented this dia footwear. So this is very useful for the diabetic patient.
Yeah.
So we also developed orthopedic footwear, therapeutic footwear, customized footwear, and new one is comfort footwear. Because if you're standing for a long time, you will get a pain. To avoid that, we developed a new footwear that is called the comfort footwear. So you will get more comfort. That is also a new one. And this is a skill development program. See, we have given training throughout India,
Yeah.
mainly for women's we have given more training actually. See, recently this one is conducted in Leh and Ladakh. So what happened after training, they started their own entrepreneurship. So they are earning money through this training. So that is about the skill training. And also we have given a collaboration with the global activities, Ethiopia, Botswana, and Kenya and Rwanda. So we transfer the technology as well as we given the training also. That is about the international part. And we have NABL accredited lab also. Yeah. See, what are all the leather products that has to be tested, then only it will be exported. Even the domestic market also, it has to test it. So we have NABL accredited lab and SATRA accreditation also. So that activity is also there. Now my colleague will.
Okay. Just one more question, sir.
Yeah.
Any plan of you having your products or making of products in Goa?
See,
Any future?
yeah, we are a R&D lab. If anybody approach us,
Yeah.
we are ready to give the training and support their business also.
Hi, this is Prasanna from CLRI. Now I'm going to show you the recent highlighted technology, award-winning technology, which is called waterless chrome tanning technology. Okay. What is waterless chrome tanning technology? Conventionally in leather processing, they use plenty of water, huge amount of water they use for tan the leather. So after processing, what happens, that water can discharge to the environment, that can pollute the environment and human also. It's a carcinogenic thing. So CLRE has come with one game changing technology which is called a waterless chrome tanning technology. In this technology we use no water, only chrome and leather along with the leather. Okay, 90% of the water reduction in this process. And one more advantage in this process is there are two basic and advanced techniques also can skip. One is called a pickling and another one is called a besification. That also can skip in this process, and it's a cost effective thing.
हालीच्या काळात आम्ही जाणा की हवा प्रदूषण किंवा पोल्युशन हे खूप वाढला आणि ते जाणून घेवपा खातीर स्टुडंट्सां खातीर एक वेगळेपणाचें टेस्टींग हांगासर आमकां पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें. आणि सर तुमचें नांव?
श्रीवल्लभ कामत. हा स्टॉल म्हणजे पोल्युशन टेस्ट करण्यासाठी.
ओके.
हाऊ पोल्युशन ऑफ एअर अफेक्ट्स अस अँड आवर एन्व्हायरमेंट. ते आम्ही साध्या पेट्री डिश घेऊन करू शकता, टेस्ट करू शकता. म्हणजे ते गॅसीस जे पोल्युशनाचे गॅसीस पळय आसात, म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल कार्बन डायऑक्सायड, कार्बन मोनॉक्सायड, नायट्रोजन डायऑक्सायड, नायट्रीक ऑक्सायड, सल्फर डायऑक्सायड, सल्फर ट्रायऑक्सायड, ऑल दीस गॅसीस आम्ही हांगा तयार करू शकता स्मॉल स्केल, मायक्रो स्केल. आणि ते टेस्ट करू शकता. अँड द टेस्ट आर व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, इस्पेशली फॉर द स्टुडंट्स. इट लुक्स लायक मॅजीक, एक मॅजीक जाल्ल्या भशेन दिसता. तातूंत कलर चेंजीस असतात. ओके. अँड द स्टुडंट्स लायक इट and they get motivated, and so they are able to understand this better. And secondly, the advantage is that आमकां हें करतलो जाल्यार लॅबॉरेटरीची गरज ना. हें कीट पळय आसा तें आमी घेवन खंय एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हे करूं शकता. म्हणजे एका झाडाच्या मुळान पासून बसून आमी थंय एक्सपेरिमेंट सावळेन करूं शकता. लॅबॉरेटरी जाय तशी ना, क्लासरुमान करूं येता, खंय करूं येता. सो दॅट इज द एडवांटेज. सो द फर्स्ट एडवांटेज म्हणजे मायक्रोस्केल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स पळय जे आसात न्ही, तातूंत क्वांटिटीज यूज्ड आर व्हेरी व्हेरी स्मॉल. ओके. ताका लागून एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन केमिकल्स इज रिड्यूस्ड कन्सिडरेबली. ओके. आतां ह्या एक्सपेरिमेंटांक तर इट इज रिड्यूस्ड एनॉर्मसली. म्हणजे फॉर उदाहरणार्थ एक एक्सपेरिमेंट नॉर्मल करतलो जाल्यार तुका एक समज 100 रुपया लागता, आणि हे एक्सपेरिमेंटान तर ह्या क्वॉन्टिटीनी तर आमी तो एक्सपेरिमेंट केलो मायक्रो स्केल क्वॉन्टिटीन, जाल्यार लेस देन ₹1 लागता. ₹1 पेक्षा कमी एमावंट कॅमिकल्साचे आमी घेवन ते एक्सपेरिमेंट करू शकता. सगळे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विथ अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट लेवल, BSc करपाक जे पळय एक्सपेरिमेंट्स लागतात, मागीर MSc करपाक जे पळय एक्सपेरिमेंट लागतात, ते हांवें इक्विपमेंट्स हांगा हाडूंक ना सद्या, पूण ह्या सगळ्याक मायक्रो स्केल क्वॉन्टिटीज घेवन एक्सपेरिमेंट करूं येता. आनी हांवें किट्स डेवलप केल्लीं आसा. जशें हें आतां किट आसा हांगा एनवायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री ऑर एअर पोल्युशनाचेर, तशेंच हांवें अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट लेवल केमिस्ट्री किट डेवलप केल्लें आसा. पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट लेवल केमिस्ट्री किट लेवल डेवलप केल्लें आसा. इवन रिसर्च करतलो जाल्यार तूं इन केमिस्ट्री, ऑर्गेनीक केमिस्ट्री स्पेशली, जाल्यार ताकाय हांवें किट डेवलप केल्लें आसा. म्हणजे हें किट घेवन तुमी ते एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ऑन स्मॉल स्केल नाल्यार मायक्रो स्केल करूं शकता. मेन हेतू म्हणजे ताका लागून एक्सपेंडिचर रिड्यूस जाता, बरोच प्रमाणान एक्सपेंडिचर रिड्यूस जाता. सेकंडली, हांगा इंडियेक आमी कितें करता, एक्सपेरिमेंट करतकच ती वेस्ट काडून सिंकान उडयता. म्हणजे इट गोज इन टू आवर एनवायरमेंट, आनी ताका लागून एनवायरमेंटाचें पोल्युशन जाता. पूण इन डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज लायक USA and many European countries and even in Asian countries like Japan etc., this is not allowed. You cannot throw the waste into the sink. Okay, you have to keep it in the bottles. म्हणजे ताका स्पेशल कंटेनर्स केल्ले असतात, तातूंत ती दवरची पडटा. आनी ती मागीर स्पेशल एजन्सीज पळय जे लोक आसात ती डिस्पोज करतात. बट दे चार्ज हेविली फॉर disposing that waste. Okay, so much so that the disposal of waste becomes more expensive than buying the chemicals. So that is the precise reason why these developed countries are even going for a micro scale. Yes, I will show you one experiment. that is regarding how pollution by industries and vehicles affect us. That is by producing nitrogen dioxide gas or NOx म्हणतात ताका आमी. Just to have a guideline, we are keeping this, and this is like a mini environment. I can say the entire Panji city is put in this petri dish. Imagine, okay. Now I'm going to put some indicator here that is called bromocresol green. This is representing a tree. Small is a tree and slightly bigger one is representing a lake. Okay. So in Panji, I don't know if there is a lake, but there is some water source. This is a tree. Now I'm going to put some vehicles there or industries, small scale industries or vehicles. So this drop of a chemical called sodium nitrite, which is going to generate the same gas which is coming from industries as well as vehicles by burning fossil fuel. I'm going to produce that gas now by putting another chemical, a small drop of this sulfuric acid. All these chemicals are very dilute, okay? So now you will see that the color of that green color of the tree and of the lake is going to slowly change to yellow. The smaller drop has almost become yellow. The bigger drop is also changing the color. It is changed at the periphery sides. You are getting a eyeball-like structure. Industries also give this nitrogen dioxide or NOx gas. So एसिडीक वेस्ट तयार जाली पळय. आतां ही एसिडीक वेस्ट पळय आसा न्ही ती आमी अशी डंप करूं शकना. इंडस्ट्रीज कॅनॉट डंप दीस एसिडीक वेस्ट. दे हॅव टू फर्स्ट न्यूट्रलायज दॅट एसिडीक वेस्ट बिफोर दे डंप. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू न्यूट्रलायज इट इन अ स्लाइटली डिफरंट वे. नाव यू कॅन सी दॅट both the drops have become completely yellow. Okay, that means it has become acidic. The nitrogen dioxide gas is coming out from this, as if this central drop is like a industry, or they are like vehicles which we are put in the petri dish. So that gets dissolves here and it forms nitric acid, and that is why the color of the indicator has changed from green to yellow. Okay, now I am going to neutralize the acidic waste. In industry I cannot throw out the acidic waste. ती हांव अशीच भायर उडोवंक शकना, डंप करूं शकना खंय. म्हाका ती न्यूट्रलायज करपाक जाय. आनी इन इंडस्ट्री कितें करतात, न्यूट्रलायज करतना लायम म्हणून वापरतात. लायम म्हणजे कॅल्शियम ऑक्सायड, लायमस्टोन. तो हें आसता, चीप आसता म्हणून ते वापरतात. हांगा आमी दीज आर गेसियस रिएक्शन्स. ताका लागून हांव हांगा एमोनियम हायड्रॉक्सायड वापरता. एमोनियम हायड्रॉक्सायड इज अ गॅस एमोनिया डिजॉल्वड इन वॉटर. So now what will happen, from this ammonium hydroxide, ammonia gas is going to come out. That ammonia gas is going to neutralize the acidic waste. You can see now the color is changing back to green. Okay, and then it will become alkaline. That means it is going to become blue. But first from yellow it will go to green, and from green it will become alkaline, blue. सी आता तो सामको कंप्लीट ब्लू जालो पळय कलर, म्हणजे तें आतां अल्कलायन जालें. ओके, हातून आनी एक इंट्रस्टींग ऑब्जर्वेशन आसा वीच इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू सी बाय सम अदर मिन्स इन अ बेटर वे दॅन दीस. ओके, सो दॅट आय वील शो यू. हो तर ब्लॅक पेपर तर हाजे पोंदा घालो न्ही, ब्लॅक पेपर, जाल्यार तुका सेंट्रल ड्रॉप पळय आसा न्ही, मदलो ड्रॉप आसात, म्हाका दिसता तुवें एंगलान पळयल्यार बरें जातलें. अशें वयल्यान पळोवच्या पेक्षा दिसता तुका ताज्या सभोवतणी अशें आवराक अशें जाल्लें आसा. हॅलो कसो जाल्लो आसा पळय सेंट्रल ड्रॉप पळय आसा न्ही ताका एरोझॉल म्हणटात. एरोझॉल म्हणजे कितें व्हेरी फायन सॉलीड पार्टिकल्स डिस्पर्स्ड इन एअर आणि अशे टायप एरोझॉल्स आर फॉर्म्ड इन द रियल नेचर ऑल्सो. These aerosols are formed by condensation of water on very fine carbon particles, even rubber particles, and in these droplets of water which are condensed on these particles, these gases like nitrogen dioxide, sulfur trioxide, they get dissolved, and when they get dissolved they form the corresponding acids. These acids are there in this type of aerosols or even clouds which can come down at any time, and they are not good for our buildings, monuments, bridges, okay, आणि even vegetationांक पासून बरोबर न्ही, even the soil also. So that is why we should lower the carbon content. That means आमची fossil fuels वापरपाचें कमी करपाक जाय. So this is one experiment. Like this we can show, I can show by using this kit almost 8 experiments. ओके. सो आतां आमी नायट्रोजन डायऑक्सायड जनरेट केला. तसोच आमी नायट्रोजन डायऑक्सायडाची आनी एक प्रॉपर्टी आसा बिकॉज इट कॅन एक्ट एज एन ऑक्सिडायझींग एजंट, आनी तो नायट्रोजन डायऑक्सायड कॅन ऑक्सिडायज सल्फर डायऑक्सायड टू सल्फर ट्रायऑक्सायड. Sulfur trioxide is dangerous because sulfur trioxide gets converted into sulfuric acid when it dissolves in water. So that is, and this is happening because of the nitrogen dioxide. So nitrogen dioxide is oxidizing sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. So तो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट आमी हांगा दाखोवंक शकता. दुसरो आनी एक एक्सपेरिमेंट म्हणजे सल्फर डायऑक्सायड प्रोडक्शन करून ताजो इफेक्ट कसो जाता तोय दाखोवंक शकता. सल्फर ट्रायऑक्सायडाचोय इफेक्ट दाखोवंक शकता. अशे खुबशे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स आसात ते आमी ह्या कीट घेवन वापरूं शकता. म्हणजे हांवें पयलीं सांगलां त्या भशेन ही कीट तुमी खंय वापरूं शकता आनी आय कॅन सेंड दीस कीट टू एनीबडी ऑल्सो बाय कुरियर आणि ही कॅन यूज इट. सो दॅट इज द मोस्ट एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस. This kit got published in one CNN magazine in 2012 because 2011 was the International Year of Chemistry. So that time I had conducted workshops at many places all over India. Okay, so in 2012 the CNN people they contacted me of the American Chemical Society, and then I gave them the description, and then it was published in the February issue of CNN magazine of the American Chemical Society.